Can't believe it's this hot. I was supposed to be camping, enjoying paradise. And guess what? Air conditioner quit cooling. Come on, man. I paid you in love and Freon. What do I do now? I know. I'm calling Giant Recreation World. Giant Recreation World, how can we help you today? My air conditioner broke and it's 95 degrees. I think I'm gonna die. Hang on tight, Larry. Please help me out. Can you help me? I know I'm in Idaho, but we've got a certified service partner 10 minutes from your location. They're expecting you, and you went right to the front of the line. Whew. Remember, folks, whenever you buy an RV from Giant Recreation World, you're already a member of the Priority RV Service Network. You know why? Because the only things that ever break down is your dance moves. You know what I'm saying? You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice our love.
Giant Recreation World.